Hello everyone and welcome back to eazyPetition. My name is Naman and in this video I'll guide you through the process of preparing Form I-765 application for employment authorization for STEM OPT category using eazyPetition. We'll walk through each section of application step by step, covering the information you will need to provide, the required supporting documents, eligibility requirements and the common mistakes to avoid. Let's get started. So first, you have to log in to our platform by clicking on this login button and enter your email ID. Click on continue. This will send a verification code to your email ID. After entering the verification code, this will redirect you to the Set up your passkey screen. You can set up your passkey by clicking on Set up passkey here or skip it for now. I am skipping it for now and choosing my role as a petitioner. After choosing your role as petitioner, this will redirect you to the petitioner dashboard. Here, you can click on New Petition button to create a new petition. This will redirect you to select a form page. Here, you can see all the USCIS forms are here. Click on I-765 form. You will see some preconditions before filing Form I-765. These are: I am currently physically present in United States. Check this and click on continue. This will create a new I-765 petition for you. On the top, as you can see, there is official Form I-765 link, official form instructions link, demo video link, support, OMB number, expired date, edition, filing fees. When you click on official Form I-765, this will redirect you to USCIS Form I-765. Here you can see OMB number, expiry date and edition. These are exactly same as our eazyPetition platform. Below that, as you can see, there is a stepper which shows all the steps that you need to complete before filing Form I-765. First step is Part 1, Reason for applying. Here, you have to specify your reason for applying. Click on Select an option and this will show you initial permission to accept employment, replacement of lost, stolen or damaged EAD, or renewal of my permission to accept employment. Select any one of these. And for example, I am selecting initial permission to accept employment. Then click on next, and part 2 is information about you. Here it will ask you to upload your passport. As you can see, I have uploaded my passport and it extracted all these details and filled it over the required locations. As you can see, my name is already pre-filled here. If you have any other names used, you can click on yes here and fill your other name here. Then it will ask you, do you have a driving license? If you have a US driving license, click on yes here and upload your US driving license here. As you can see, I have uploaded my driving license and it fetched all the address related details here and filled it for the fifth question, which is US mailing address. If you have same physical address and mailing address, you can click on yes here and you don't need to fill your physical address. But if you have different physical address, then click on no and enter your physical address here. Then it will ask you, do you have an I-797? Click on yes if you have an I-797 and you can upload it here. But if you don't have any I-797, you can click on no here. Then the next section is other information. Here it will ask you, do you have a valid alien registration number? If you have a valid alien registration number, you can click on yes here and enter your alien registration number. The same for USCIS online account number. If you have a USCIS online account number, click on yes here and you can enter your USCIS online account number. Then, as you can see, my gender is pre-populated through my passport. Then it will ask you your marital status. For example, I am selecting single here. Then it will ask you, have you previously filed Form I-765? Click on yes if yes and no if no. For example, I am selecting no here. Then it will ask you, do you have a social security number? If you have a social security number, click on yes here and enter your social security number. Then the next section is country or countries of citizenship or nationality. Your first country will be pre-populated through your passport, and if you have multiple countries of citizenship, then click on select an option and then select your next country. For example, I am selecting India here. Then the next section is birth information. It will ask you, do you have a birth certificate? Click on yes and enter your birth certificate here. This will fetch all these details and fill it over here. As you can see, my date of birth is already pre-populated through my passport. Then in I-94 section, if you have a I-94, upload it here. As you can see, I have uploaded my I-94 and it fetched these details. Then it filled it over the required locations. As you can see, most of my fields are pre-populated. Then you have to fill your date of your last arrival in United States if it is not fetched through your I-94, your place of your last arrival in United States, your immigration status at your last arrival. For example, I am selecting F1 here. And your current immigration status. I am also selecting F1 here. In the case of STEM OPT, your current status would be F1 student. Then here comes the most important question, which is eligibility category. If you have any confusions regarding your eligibility category, you may refer to Form I-765 instructions. For STEM OPT, you can click on select an option and search for STEM. As you can see, this is a STEM student category and its category is C3C. Click on this and this will show you some dependent fields. This is the advantage of using eazyPetition, that it will show you only those fields that are required for your category. Here you have to upload your I-20 and enter your service number, degree, employer's name, employer's e-verify company or client identification number. Then click on next and here you have to upload your I-983 training plan. Then click on next and part 3 is applicant statement and contact information. Here you have to read all these statements and respond accordingly. Then you have to enter your contact information. If you have not filled any profile section before, then you have to fill it manually. But if you have filled your profile section before, this can be pre-populated through your profile section. Then click on next and part 4 is interpreter's contact information, certification and signature. If you have used any interpreter, you can click on yes here and enter your interpreter's details such as interpreter's full name, mailing address, contact information, certification and date of signature. Then click on next and the part 5 is for preparer. If you have used any preparer, you can click on yes here and you can enter your similar details for your preparer as well. Then click on next and here you have to upload your visa. As you can see, I have uploaded my visa and then click on next and this will ask you your education level. For example, I am selecting master's degree. Then click on next and here you have to upload your master's certificate, your bachelor's certificate and your high school certificate. Then you have to upload your cover letter. If you have a cover letter with you, you can upload it here. And eazyPetition allows you to draft your cover letter with AI. Click on yes here and type a prompt. This will generate an AI cover letter. Then click on next and STEM OPT supports premium processing. If you want premium processing, then click on yes here and you can attach form I-907. Click on attach I-907 and create a new form. Then click on next and you have to choose your USCIS payment type. Select an option either between credit card or bank details. For example, I am selecting credit card here. You can attach G1450. Click on attach G1450 and create a new form. Then click on Next. And here it will ask you, do you want to attach G1145? Click on Yes and click on Attach G1145 if you want G1145. Click on Create a new form. Then click on Next, and if you have some other supporting documents that you want to send to USCIS, you can upload it here. And if you have multiple supporting documents, then click on Add here and you can add multiple other supporting documents. Then click on Next, and here it will show you a document review step. Here you will see all the documents that you have uploaded. Click on Mark as done after reviewing, and all the fields that you have filled are shown here. If you see any error or any spelling mistake, you can click on this edit icon and edit it here also. Review it carefully and click on Mark as done. After reviewing all these steps, you can see there is a review progress bar which tracks your progress. Complete it to 100% and then click on Next. Then this will show you some steps for I-907, which is for premium processing. Here you will see my name is already pre-populated, my address is already pre-populated through my I-765 information. This is the advantage of using eazyPetition, that you don't need to enter your repeated details again and again. This will require less human effort to prepare your petition. Click on Next and complete all these steps. Then we are proceeding to G1450. Here you can also see my name is already pre-populated, my address is already pre-populated, my email is already pre-populated. Enter your credit card information here and then click on Next. This will show you a document review step for G1450. Complete this, click on Mark as done and click on Next. This will show you a G1145 step. Here you can see most of my details are pre-populated. Then click on Next and review your information. Click on Mark as done and click on Next. This will show you an attorney review available pop-up. If you want an attorney to review your petition, then click on Yes, and if you don't want an attorney to review your petition, then click on No. If you want us to generate your shipping label, then click on Yes, and if you don't want us to ship your petition, then click on No. Here you will see a document ordering screen. If you want to reorder your documents, you can drag them up or down and then click on this Save Order button. Then click on Next and it will show you a document ordering screen for I-907, for G1145, and here you will see Review Your Petition page. Complete payment to see full petition. After completing payment, as you can see, there is a Download Petition button. Click on Download Petition to download your petition. As you can see, the form G1145 is here and the entered details are printed here. Then there is a cover page for I-907 form. And this is form I-907 and all the details I entered are printed here. Then you have to sign here as you are the requester, and then your interpreter can sign here and your preparer can sign here. Then here comes the cover page for G1450, and this is form G1450, and here you can see all the details that I entered are printed here. Then there is cover page for form I-765. Here is USCIS form I-765 and the details I entered are printed here. As you can see, all the details are printed here. As you can see, my eligibility category is printed C3C, which is for STEM OPT. Then after reading this certification, you can sign here. and your interpreter can sign here, and your preparer can sign here. Below that, here you can see all the documents that you have uploaded. So that's it for today's video. If you have liked this video, drop a like, and if you have any doubt regarding Form I-765, you can drop a comment. Thank you.